Guys, so today I'm going to unbox this 60-watt MagSafe power adapter. This is the first one. I know the seal is gone, but here's a seal. Am I going to throw this away? My old one just spoiled because the cable just gone after like 11 years of use. So we got this thing right here, the thing which I'm not going to use because I got another one. Got this manual which I forgot to open. I'm not going to open this for sure. Got the extension cord which I'm going to use, and the main event which is the thing. So yep, and you guys want to hear a plastic sound. Where is it? I'm going to try to keep everything good for this one. Oh wow, this is like, oh, this one is like more satisfying. And this part, and this thing right here. Wait, is this thing pull? Oh yeah, I don't think I want to pull, so we're just going to pull like this. So there we go, we got this thing right here. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for other videos and peace.